Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I just want to share with you a game that I picked up from Canadian Tire. This is a Rec Tech washer toss game. I know you can make these, but by the time you make it, it would cost me the $20 that I spent on it anyway. So it was on sale for $20. I picked it up to take it camping. It's a fun little game. It's an all-weather game, so it's made out of like the same material as, say, like a camping chair, and it's sand-filled and lightweight, so you can carry it around with you and stuff. It's an all-weather game. It comes with its own little storage thing. It has 6 washers with 2 colors, and of course the rules, right? Very simple game. So let's open this up here. Let's see which side I opened. Oh, there we go. So it comes with like these little straps here, but these are just kind of velcroed together. So it's just 2 little pieces. You can see the velcro is here and here, and then those just go together with the game. So it has these washers, and these are like a plastic washer, and they're kind of large, so they're easier to throw. The problem with the washers is they tend to be tiny and they bounce, so these ones are a little better. They don't bounce as much. And then it has the ring inside, so if you land here, it's worth a point. If you get it in the ring, it's worth 3 points, and the first 1 to 21 wins. So you set these apart between 5 and 10 feet apart, and then you stand behind the one and throw it into the other. Really simple game, a lot of fun. It's they're weighted. I don't know how much the whole thing weighs, not very much, but it's not going to blow away in the wind, and it's nice, light, portable, easy to set up, right? So great for little kids, and it's a fun game to drink and play. So anyway, you stand behind the one, you grab you kind of throw it like a frisbee and lob it at the same time. There we go, there's 3. Just 3. So, Team A gets 3, Team B, nothing. 3-0. Anyway, that's how you play, and you just count it out. Alright, so the washers, you can either store them in little pockets on the side, like that, or you can just leave them inside. It doesn't really matter. And then what you want to do is line up your Velcro pieces. You just turn it upside down. One fits inside the other. Velcro it shut. Velcro it shut. And then you have your carry handles, right? There's 2, so you have to hold on to both of them. But that's liable to come apart, so if you want, the nice part about this game is after you open it and everything, you can still fit it nicely in the box. So we're going to take it camping with us, so I'm going to put this nicely in the box, and then whenever I want to play it, we can take it out and play it. Anyway, so that's the Rec Tech washer toss. I really like it. It's a fun little game. Very traditional washer toss sort of thing, but just portable and lightweight. Anyway, thanks for watching.